Hello guys, this is Mike Chawla with Team Microware. If you are a EMS supplier, you are dealing a mass production in electronics, then this video is for you. So these are the fixtures utilized for the depaneling of the PCBA. So while you are depaneling a PCBA, like you have a assembly line and you have multiple PCBs in one panel, and you want to just take it out from the panel. So you are using different methods with the manual process. So this method will make the PCBA tracks cracking. It will delaminations will be there, so some of the layers of the PCBA can be damaged. There will be lots of issues when you cut the PCBA. If applied more stress, then it is also going to damage the PCBA. Also, when you are depaneling PCBA, it may pass. If you are doing a manual process, it may pass into the APCT, but there is one effect that is called a latent effect on the PCBA. So that are micro cracks in PCBA, which may in that case which may pass the PCBA and APCT in the functional testing. But when it goes into the real field, it will make issue due to the thermal and the vibration cycling issues. So this kind of issues may arise when you depanel the PCB on manual process. It will also give you the inconsistent output and the slow process of depaneling and the manpower dependency. So to take care of this kind of issues, while PCBA manufacturing, Microbe is there to provide you the high engineered product for the depaneling solutions. Also, Microbe is providing the PCBA test FCT solutions to you. So if you have any kind of requirements, you can contact Microbe. So let's start today's video in brief. So these are the depaneling fixtures which can be used and customized for your PCBA depaneling also. So you have to use high precision depaneling machines. If you want this kind of machines, Microbe can provide you this kind of machines. And after that machines, if you want this kind of fixtures dedicated to particular PCBs, which may give the proper depaneling, and it's whatever the issues we have raised. If you want to come out of that, this is the process and perfect industrial standards, and it's as per the DFM, like the DF design for manufacturing. So this kind of process, if you want to follow, these are the most necessary things which you have to apply for your manufacturing process. So these are the fixtures. So there will be a machines like CNC router type machines will be there, in which you need to install these kind of fixtures. So this is a sample of fixtures like this one. This is one PCBA with six different six PCBs panel. So there will be a one panel. Similar six PCBs will be there. So this fixture is utilized for that. You can just put your PCB here, and you can j top and bottom cutouts and drillings and the routing there. So when you close this, you can see a depaneling cutouts. So at that time, your router drill bit will go inside and do the depaneling. So this is the example of the fixtures. Like if you can see here, we are making lots of depaneling fixtures and providing the best standard industrial process for the manufacturing purpose. So you can see a depaneling, like these are the four PCBs in panel. This is also six PCB. These are the four PCB. So yeah, if you want this kind of fixtures, Microbe can provide you easy solutions and better way of depaneling. You can see here, these are the 1, 2, 3, approximate 5 cross 3 matrices that. So we take care lots of things like top mounting components and bottom mounting components. Cavity will be perfectly aligned. Also, it's a high engineered product. Like when PCB is depanel, like this one PCB is depanel, that it will not come outside or it will not move inside the fixtures also. So this kind of issues we are taking care in all the panels, all the depanelings. So if you want, like this is a bakelite plus FR mixture. This is only FR fixture for some of the PCBs which have high heighted components and required a very sturdy system where PCB itself is having lots of weight. We have to use lots of different types of materials in that case. So we have use FR4. This was the only top. This is a locking mix where you need to just put the PCB and lock it out here, so you can depanel it easily. So yeah, this kind of fixtures manufacturing Microbe is providing industry. We are providing this kind of fixtures within 3 to 4 days if required, and standard time is 12 to 15 days. We'll take your samples of the PCB, we'll take your Gerber data, and we'll provide you the solutions here to your doorstep with very cost competitive and very economic range. So we are providing lots of supports to our MSME and lots of our industries which we need standard products and standard solutions for our electronics manufacturing industries. So thank you guys for watching us. And if you want this kind of any depaneling fixes, please contact my group. Our team will come in contact with you and give you the best out of the best solutions for any kind of your requirements. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you. Thank you guys.